The particular exercise we're going to do is to educate the student how to recover the guard, starting from all fours, or what we call the turtle position. Okay? So we have two knees and two elbows on the ground. All right? So if I walk in my elbows to my right, I point my windshield, both of my legs, to the opposite direction, and I start pushing my head back. As my shoulder moves back, I kick my legs and I wrap. Now I bring my legs together, roll my side, roll my knee, and get back to the straight position again. Then I'm gonna walk my elbows and my hands to my left, point my windshield to the opposite direction, roll my hip over my feet, push my head back, spread the leg out, and wrap. Then here, windshield again, roll my side, sit on my knees, and when I get forward, I go here. Now I'm gonna walk to my right, point my windshield to the opposite direction, push myself back and roll my hip. And as I keep pushing myself back, the bottom leg kicks straight up while the other one stays. Once my back touches the ground, I'll cross the legs around.